Timelines for website redesign projects. Projects for web design and development can be customized and planned in many different ways. The success of a redesign project is dependent on a methodical process that utilizes discipline and flexibility. We look at all the factors that influence project costs and timelines, and we look for ways to adapt our process to keep things moving while meeting our clients' requirements. Part of the redesign strategy, research, analysis, and planning. Professional web design firms don't typically dive into a redesign blindly. It's important to first prepare before you begin the process. You start with a thorough evaluation, ideally through an audit of the existing site and current marketing. Along with addressing website issues, you must first carefully examine the scope of the work before proceeding with a new website plan. During our website audit process, we conduct the necessary research, discovery, and strategic planning to make sure your website redesign project is a profitable investment for your company. SEO, search engine optimization, is a technique for increasing your website's visibility when potential visitors use search engines to find products or services related to your website. The more visible your website pages are in search results, the more likely you are to attract new and existing customers to your company. In order for your website to serve as the primary focal point of an effective digital marketing strategy, your website needs to have a solid foundation built on proper SEO techniques. From the beginning of the project to the final launch, we work to use proven SEO strategies in all aspects of our process. This just makes sure that all the on-page, off-page, technical SEO elements are all optimized in order to fully support ongoing digital marketing growth. Designing for the user experience. Regardless of the size of the web design project, we look at every step of the process with user experience as the main focus. During this phase, we will learn as much as we can about your target audience. Who exactly are they? What do they desire? What are they going to get? The user experience and customer experience are very similar. Using a website redesign project that fails to consider the targeted customer's wants, needs, and expectations is likely going to fail. Content development and planning. In today's marketing, websites serve as the platform for much of your brand's story to unfold. Every element, including copy, images, functionality, and so on, must contribute to the message. Keeping this in mind, we will give recommendations discovered during the audit phase, and we'll put those into action in order to create relevant, engaging, and unique content that connects with your customers while also supporting your organic SEO needs. We will also give your team the necessary tools and guidance to assist you in developing and refining your site's content. Design, conceptualization, and implementation. Our team collaborates to create ideas that will help you tell the story of your brand in engaging and unique ways. We're ready to fill in the chapters now that we've decided how the story will be told. These steps will vary depending on the needs of the project, but they can range from responsive design variations to user interface design for all the internal pages. Regardless of the details, each project component is carried out with careful regard for the user, the message, and the company story that's been defined in the previous discovery steps. Production and development. While it's frequently overlooked, translating static visual designs into flawlessly constructed websites necessitates both a scientific mind, more technical, and an artistic eye. We take pride not only in creating pixel-perfect recreations of our design concepts, but also in improving the code and experience for users, editors, admins, whether we're developing the entire website from beginning to end or creating primary templates to pass off to an in-house development team. Quality assurance and deployment management. Once everything has been planned, polished, and tested, it's time to launch the website. We will collaborate with your team during the planning phase to determine appropriate launch strategies. And if necessary, we can facilitate the actual website deployment. This may include anything from configuring URL redirects to migrating finished site files. We see every project through to completion, ensuring we provide a final product that is perfect. Continuous improvement cycle. To maximize the value and performance of a newly designed website, a business should commit to an ongoing cycle of continuous improvement. This process should be based on testing, tracking, and evaluating changes, updates, and additions to the new website. Our method provides a structured methodology for facilitating ongoing optimization. A website redesign necessitates both time and money. Building a quality website that is competitive in your niche is not cheap or quick, but with a well-planned website redesign project, you can stay on schedule and within your budget. Consider a website redesign to be a home improvement project. Web design follows the same step-by-step procedure. A detailed plan is crucial, or else the project may get away from you. Lay down a solid foundation, and you will surely end up with a successful final project.